I'm going to show you the portable waxing bench I made for my cross-country skis. This was a relatively simple project, requiring only a drill, a circle saw, and a trip to Home Depot. Check out the link in the description box below for a detailed build guide. Because I don't have access to a work surface to mount my waxing bench on, I chose to buy a collapsible sawhorse, which also means it's super portable. I chose this specific sawhorse because of the stable, grippy feet and the pre-drilled holes that would make mounting the base simple. Once the sawhorse is set up, simply lay the waxing bench on top. Make sure the holes drilled in the base align with the holes in the sawhorse. The base is secured to the sawhorse with 4 bolts. The wing nuts clamp it firmly down. Once attached, it won't go anywhere. Let me walk you through the key components of the bench. The first is 2 pivoting arms. These are sized to support the tip and the tail of the ski. The length of the arms make up for the sawhorse's short length. By centering the fulcrum over the sawhorse, the pivoting arms support the ski's ends while still exerting the force straight down on the sawhorse. The top of the arms are padded with a grippy foam to protect the ski and help it not slide. Metal spacers keep the arms from moving side to side. The arms pivot on a metal rod. I use 2 eyelet screws that fit around the metal rod to allow it to rotate freely. A similar metal rod is used for the binding mechanism, but this rod is thinner to match the diameter of the rod in ski boots. The various holes allow for skis of different cambers. The binding pin can be slid in and out if needed. This system works for both S&S and N bindings. Just open the binding, push down, and secure. The skis should now be attached firmly. You are now ready to wax your skis. The arms I made accommodate my shorter skate skis by not extending past their curved tip. This means my classic skis hang off. One potential modification would be to make custom arms for different ski lengths. Or, if you plan on using a larger workbench or table instead of a sawhorse, you can make just one set of short arms and clamp them different distances apart according to ski length. When you're done waxing your skis, simply release the binding. If you don't need your sawhorse before you next wax your skis, you can collapse it for storage with the waxing bench attached. If you want a more compact version, detach the pivoting arms for a smaller form factor.